Okay, welcome to the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner study course. First passed this exam back in 2022, but I decided to retake it to see what's changed and to share what I've learned along the way. Whether you're a high school student, a non-IT professional, or just curious about how cloud technology really works, this course is built for you. So the Cloud Practitioner exam, also known as a CLF-C02, is where your cloud journey begins. It's an entry-level certification designed for anyone looking to understand how AWS drives innovation across industries, from small startups to global enterprises. You don't need years of experience, just a curiosity and a willingness to explore how technology drives business outcomes. The exam covers 4 domains. Domain 1 is cloud concepts, 2, security and compliance, 3, cloud technology and services, 4, billing and pricing. You'll have 90 minutes to complete the exam, and you'll need to score a 700 or higher out of 1,000. Think of this certification as your foundation, the point where you begin to see the architecture behind the cloud and understand how every service connects to build something greater. Learning the cloud is like entering a shared dream. Once you understand how it's built, you can reshape reality, just like in Inception. The AWS Cloud is made of layers within layers, each one designed with a purpose, structure, and imagination. What looks simple on the surface, an application, a website, a database, is powered by hidden architectures of compute, storage, and automation working in sync perfectly. In this journey, we'll dive deeper through each layer, seeing the blueprint, understanding the dream structure, and learning how to build worlds at scale. By the end, you just won't use the cloud, you'll be the architect. Now, AWS is more than a collection of services. It's a platform that lets organizations innovate without limits. Its core value lies in the pay-as-you-go flexibility and massive economies of scale that pass cost savings directly to you. The global infrastructure reaches across continents, enabling faster deployments and global user experiences with minimal latency. Built-in high availability keeps workloads running even when the entire systems fail. Elasticity means scaling up when the demand spikes and scaling down when it doesn't, so you're always efficient. And agility allows teams to test, learn, and launch new ideas within minutes, not months. These benefits form the foundation of AWS's promise of speed, resilience, and innovation at global scale. Now, if you recall in the film Inception, the dream architect designs worlds that feel real. Every rule, every layer is connected by precision. AWS is that same kind of architecture. Its economies of scale are the shared dream, one foundation supporting countless builders. Its global infrastructure mirrors the dream, cities connected through invisible corridors of data. High availability keeps the dream stable even when one layer collapses, fault tolerance built right in. Elasticity lets the world expand or contract to match imagination, resources that grow and shrink as you need them. And agility gives you the power to experiment, adapt, and rebuild faster than ever before. AWS doesn't just deliver servers, it delivers possibility. This is Inception of innovation, where imagination meets engineering.